On July 5th, 2021, a group of students visited the SHURE headquarters in Chicago. They got to tour the facility and they sampled brand new products. The students were all gifted with their very own headphones and SHURE MV7 Plus smartphone kits. These kits include a tripod and high-quality microphone, making it easier to create films on the go.
I think it's very informative. I think that the equipment is very high-tech for our projects and for us to really be able to know how to further utilize these materials for our careers in the future. So I'm very excited to download the app, see what I can do, see what equipment I can work with, and just really get acquainted with this. I think I'm excited for do interviews as well. I really like editing and like producing kind of creative direction. So I think that just with this high-tech equipment and like that it has an app with it as well, it'll be way more easier for me to really like visualize and bring my creative juices to life.
I think it's a great resource. It makes, from what you said, like it's adjustable. It makes it more accessible to use it. The microphone is definitely a help in terms of catching audio, because as you know, we live in a very loud city, and especially around this time, it gets really loud. So having the ability to kind of focus in on what you're saying makes the process easier, and of course more entertaining for the audience.
Yep.
I don't know, this is a great resource and I really appreciate it. I'm just glad to see where I can take it, creative-wise, just learn things about it.
Really, when y'all set the music video documentary, right, I instantly thought about my friend, because I was trying to make one like 2 summers ago. So she does rapping and stuff like that, and so I thought this would be a great opportunity to sort of hone in and dive into that aspect.
The students then went on to create documentary music video projects with professional musicians. For more information about the Earth Project, visit We Uplift the World.